All right, guys. Tonight's gourmet meal is the Kettle brand. This is all Cefco items, but again, this is Kettle brand crinkle cut habanero lime that caught my eye when I was over there at Cefco. This is what the chips look like. This is the Italian style sub from Market Sandwich. Comes with all that ham, provolone, salami, pepperoni, parmesan, and an herb roll. I believe because I gave my brother the other half, but this is the 3-inch beautiful. He's also making some White Castle burgers. But yeah, that's how that looks. We're going to rate that. But first, we're going to do this. Again, these are the habanero lime. I've already had one or two. I'll tell you, compared to the Taki chips that I got, these are pretty spicy. Ooh. Very spicy. Go and get these. Well worth it. Okay, now, I think in terms of spice level, 9.5 to 10 out of 10. These are very, very spicy. For just a basic kettle chip, decent. Now, in terms of quality, 10 out of 10. Go get those for sure. Okay. There's my White Castle. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to do a ratings test on this. The Italian style sub. I think I paid $7.99 for this sandwich, but it's decent. When you're on the run, go get that. Strong 9.5 out of 10. Perfect. All right, guys. Have a great night.